Hi viewers, in this video we are going to see the basic concept of chemistry, atomic mass. What is mass? Mass is the measure of amount of matter. It is the measure of amount of matter. In an object. The measurement contains two parts. Measurement contains two parts. One is number, that is magnitude. Other one is unit. Without these two, if any one is missing, it is meaningless. Measurement will be meaningless without any one. So here, what is the unit of mass? Many units are available for measuring mass. You would have known in day-to-day life we are using kilogram, gram, milligram, nanogram, microgram. Many are available. We are using only 3 kilogram, gram and milligram. Kilogram will be used to measure the materials like rice, sugar, etc. Gram will be used to measure vegetables. Milligram, precious materials like gold, platinum, these and all measured with the unit milligram. So every physical quantity, there are different types of units are available. Every physical quantity, different units are available. But selection of unit is very, very important. Selection of unit, important one. If we have not selected a proper unit, it will be meaningless. How can we select? How can we do the selection to measure the substance, mass of the substance, or generally quantity of the substance? We have to consider the size of the substance, the unit based on the size of the substance. It should be equal to the size of the, more or less, it should be equal to the size of the unit. So, choosing the unit to measure a quantity is very, very important. Then only it will give sense, otherwise it will be senseless. For example, we are going to buy 3 kilogram of rice, but I am going to ask 3 million milligram of rice. I am going to ask the shopkeeper. It is meaningless. He cannot understand what is 3 million milligram of rice. So it is not possible to understand the mass by the shopkeeper. So selection of unit is very, very important. Unit is very important. Then how do we measure? Then we will see how do we measure. Nowadays we are using balance. What type of balance we are using? Digital balance. Digital balances are available nowadays. But 5-6 years before, you would have seen the normal balancing machine you would have noticed, you would have seen in many shops. It will be having two pans, left and right two pans, and one needle will be there. If the needle is vertical, both the pans have equal amount of substances. So this side, the standard unit will be kept. You have selected, isn't it? Unit, that unit will be kept here. For example, 1 kilogram standard unit will be kept. This side, rice will be kept or vegetables. This is the way to measure mass of the substances. In this, we are comparing the mass of the standard unit with the material what we are going to measure. Now let us see the concept of atomic mass. This atomic mass is very small. Very small. So we cannot use kilogram, gram, nanogram, even nanogram also, kilogram, gram, milligram and all cannot be used. It is not the suitable unit to measure atomic mass. That's why here it is used one unit, that is atomic mass unit. What is atomic mass unit? Atomic mass unit equal to, one atomic mass unit equal to mass of 1 by 12 of carbon 12 atom. Why it is selected carbon 12 as standard unit? Because no other nucleus other than carbon 12 containing the exact number of atomic masses. So carbon 12 is selected as, that is 1 by 12 of carbon 12 is selected as standard unit to measure the atomic mass. So this 1 by 12 of carbon 12, 1 by 12 of carbon 12, that is equal to 1 AMU, that is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 gram. If we take in the form of unit, in the form of gram, handling this number will be very tough. Handling the masses in the form of gram will be very tough. But the same unit is used in the form of AMU. It will be in the form of whole numbers. So handling will be easier. And also one more thing here, most of the elements atomic masses will be in the form of whole number if we use atomic mass unit as unit. Most of the element atomic masses will be in the form of whole number. In the form of whole number when we use atomic mass unit as unit. So conventionally it is accepted atomic mass unit as standard unit to measure the atomic mass. Now we try to understand atomic mass. The same way, by using physical balance, how we will measure. In the same way, we will explain to measure the atomic mass. Here, hydrogen atom. One hydrogen atom we have kept here. That will be equal to 1 by 12 of one carbon atom. 1 by 12 of 1 by 12 of carbon atom will be equal to 1 hydrogen atom. So, atomic mass of hydrogen will be equal to 1 AMU. So, next we will take atomic mass of oxygen. It will be equal to 16 1 by 12 of carbon 12. 16 units. So, its atomic mass will be equal to 16 AMU. Next, atomic mass of sodium. This will be equal to 23 1 by 12 of carbon atom will be equal to 1 sodium atom. So, this will be 23 AMU. In this way, for all the elements, we are getting atomic mass in the form of whole number. That's why conventionally it is accepted atomic mass unit is the basic unit to measure mass of an atom. I think you would have understood the concept of atomic mass. Thank you.